Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexa. If you're new here, hello. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing a CURLBOX unboxing of July and August. If you are interested, just keep watching. I'm going to show you everything I got for both July and August subscription boxes, as well as the July summer box that I picked up. Alright guys, so first up we're gonna do the non-subscription box of July, and it was the summer box. So this is the cover, and it's basically summer travel. Very cute. So in this box we got four, I don't know if these are the full sizes actually, they may be. So they're all 3.4 fluid ounces, and it is the girl hair line. So these are the first two. The Nourish is a leave-in conditioner, and the Restore is a protective restoring balm. And then we have Cleanse and Refresh. Cleanse is a moisturizing sulfate-free cleanser. Refresh is a biotin-infused hydrating milk. So this is definitely good for while I have these braids in. I haven't used them yet though, so I think the next time I wash my hair, I'll be using these products. I'm trying to keep my braids in for as long as I can. My scalp definitely does get really dry and itchy. I have been putting oil in it. I did wash my hair once already, so every 2 weeks I try to do it, or obviously if it's dirtier before that, I will go ahead and wash it. It came out really nice after I washed it, not too messy. I am seeing some growth from where the knots were first originally placed. It's looking good. So I'm very happy with that. Shout out to my cousin Ivory. I'm going to tag her page down below, so definitely check it out. She also does natural hair videos, protective styles, whatever you need, go check her channel out. So for the July subscription box, it was titled Greatness. Very cute. All their covers are always so cute. It is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. I have used Aunt Jackie's and I do like the products. So we have 2, 4, 5 full-size products. And this is from a new line, and it's the Grapeseed Style and Shine line. First up, we have Power Wash. This is 12 fluid ounces. Intense moisture clarifying shampoo, sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, petroleum, or silicone. Thoroughly removes impurities and builds up while adding essential moisture. It's enriched with apple cider vinegar and aloe. So this sounds really interesting. Next product is Shine Boss. This is a refreshing sheen mist. Softens and gives hair a beautiful reflective sheen. Cute. This is 4 fluid ounces. Third up is Frizz Patrol. This is a mousse. This is an anti-poof setting mousse. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, petroleum, or silicones as well. It's a hydrating elixir that sets curls, waves, coils, and textured hair styles in place. Enriched with jojoba and tamanu oils. Lock in lightweight hold, smoothness, and shine while kicking frizz to the curb. This is an 8.5 fluid ounce. I actually haven't seen these in stores yet. I haven't been to Target though, so maybe they have it there. Fourth product up is Ice Curls. This is a glossy curling jelly. For definition, elongation, and sensational shine, treat your curls, waves, twists, or locks to this intensive moisture remedy. It's like a wobbly. It smells so good. It smells like clean linen. This is 15 ounces. Aunt Jackie's always gives a lot of product. Lastly, we have Rescued. This is a thirst quenching recovery conditioner. Sulfate, paraben, mineral, petroleum, and silicone free. Enriched with avocado and tamanu oils. It says it's used to resuscitate chronically dry, damaged, or lifeless hair. This is also 15 ounces. I am definitely excited to try them. I am satisfied with this box for July. If you guys have tried it already, please let me know down below how you liked it. If you did, if you didn't, what's your favorite products from it? All right, next up, we are coming to an end. This is August's CURLBOX. I originally thought with this cover that it was gonna be Mielle New Moisture RX line, and it wasn't. So I was like, oh, No, she tricked me. This box is titled I'm the Magic. Very cute. Ooh, my nails are matching. When you open it up, I actually did not hear about this line coming out, so very interesting. This is a Palmer's box. Comes with a coupon, a $1 coupon. The last box that featured Palmer's was in November 2018, which was the Natural Fusions line, but they all usually come with a little list of the products and an explanation for each one. This box actually comes with 5 full-size products, and from what I see on here, there's 7. What we didn't get in this box was the Styling Nectar, which is a silicone-free gel styler, and then the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention 2-step mask. So we have, like I said, 5 full-size products. First up, we have a shampoo. This is the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Shampoo. It's a gentle moisturizing cleanser. No sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, gluten, dyes, or silicones. It's very like earthy tones. I really like the packaging. It's nice and simple. The brown bottle goes very well with the packaging. Second up, we have a conditioner, and this is the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Conditioner. It's for instant moisture and softness. Third product, leave-in conditioner. It's a detangler, heat protectant, and moisturizer. The shampoo smells way better than the leave-in. It's not that it smells bad. It's just cocoa butter, and some people, like I said, do not like it. You can see the conditioner. This looks pretty thick. For the shampoo, almost caught me slipping. Shampoo is definitely more liquidy, and the leave-in looks thick. All right, this is the 4th product. This is a styling cream. It's a creamy formula for coil definition. 7 fluid ounces. Looks very thick. So actually, when you put it on, not as thick, and it does have that cocoa butter scent. This one is pretty light though. Now our 5th and last product in the box is a Shining Glaze serum. So this says that it locks in moisture and adds a shiny finish to dry hair. It is silicone free, and it's 3.4 fluid ounces. All right guys, so that brings us to the end. I have reviewed for you the July non-subscription summer travel box, the subscription box, which featured Aunt Jackie's curls and coils, and lastly the August box, and that featured Palmer's, the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention line. Please let me know if you've tried any of these products at all, if you're going to purchase any of them, if you don't have a CURLBOX subscription, what you liked, what you didn't like. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading my newest video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.